Yes. Now, I'm wanting to make sure that you understand, okay? Anytime there's a motioning of the court, yes, before you have the court hearing on the 16th, right, I am to be given some sort of notice that there's going to be a court hearing, yes. And then before you reissue a temporary protection order on the 26th, yes, I have to have notice that you're going to reissue the temporary protection order because you motion the court to modify the terms of the protection order. The protection order that was issued in 2012, yes. 2012 while I was on trial, yes. The protection order that was reissued by minute order, yes. I've looked at the RCWs and I don't see where a minute order can be used. Now, 615, oops, order reissuing temporary protection order by minute order. Oh. Now, if we look at it, I'm kind of thinking, okay, that you as a court have not done anything according to the court rules or the laws of the state of Washington. It seems like a very bold statement on my part. But when I tell you that I want it removed and you decide to be total fucking assholes, I decided that you can all go to prison. Now, here's what happens. This is what's known as a permanent, yes, court order. Yeah. And you issued it for 10 years, but there was no personal service. No, there was no service by mail, no service by publication. The respondent did not receive actual notice of the hearing. Oh. You said if I have a problem, I can motion the court. I said that every court order and possibly every court hearing you've had, you never did what the actual requirements of the law are. Somebody seems to be a little jumpy today. Now, when is the sheriff's office going to allow me to speak to my sons? I'd like to know that because the way that I see it, having 4 hearings, yes, in 24 days, you could have the first one as a motion of the court, but just looking at the number of judicial days that I should have been given before having additional court hearings, if you had served me the next possible day, yes, that would have meant the third. Ooch, one, two, 3, 4, 5. Ooch, you could have had a court hearing on the 11th. Yeah, but you had one on the 12th, and I did not get any notice of opportunity to be heard on the 12th. Yes. After you had it on the 12th, yes. You had another court hearing on the 16th. Yes. But you would have had to serve me. Now, was this one going to that one and that one was going to that one? Yes. Now, when you think about it, okay, ooch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, okay, right there. Could have had it right there, yes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no possible way in God's holy earth. That you could have protected my right to due process and had 3 additional court hearings after October 2nd. Now, I don't know exactly what forms you need to fill out, but when you motion a court to modify the terms of a protection order, I'm kind of thinking you don't need to reissue the temporary protection order, unless, of course, you wanted me to get notice of court hearings. Now, we seem to have this problem with the temporary protection order. Yes. Why is